Hello everybody, I'm back and wanted to say something about these FXT Viper goggles. Now, I got the version 2, but one thing I had a problem with was it would push down on my brow right here, right along here it would push on my brow, and it would kind of block my vision on part of the screen just a little bit, just enough to be annoying. But I did notice that this pad is velcroed on all the way around. It's all the way around is velcro. So I pulled that off, got it centered in the middle again, but raised it up just about 1/4 of an inch. I don't know if you can see how far I raised it. It's about 1/4 of an inch, and I let that, stuck it back down all the way around like that, and that completely solved the problem with it pushing down on my face, on my brow, to where it would just enough to be annoying where you couldn't see part of the screen, or it pushed your eyes a little bit closed on top. This little adjustment has made a world of difference in the way these goggles fit and the way they work. So if you have the same problem with it pushing on your brow like that, if you got the Velcro type, just pull that off, stick it back on a little bit higher, and it should solve your problem. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like, dislike, whatever, leave a comment, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.